What's up, YouTube? Matt Gillette with Gillette-Ranch. I'm out here checking on things, and also we're gonna do some work. I'm out here with my dad. I just turned the fish feeder on, so check that out. Then we'll be mowing some weeds and building a pad site where they're gonna move one of our cabins. Grass carp, perch, catfish. Turtles were already waiting.
Cat right there.
Because they're hungry. Oh, that is a catfish.
Right here.
Yep. That cat got a pretty good sized belly on him. This feeds 32% protein. Food's about all gone except for right here. Feeder goes off in 10 minutes, but I went ahead and fed him early to make the video. But to show you this pad that we started making. Let's go see if these tomatoes are still alive. That tomatoes I threw out a long time ago. Look like they're dying. Every 3 days I threw 2 buckets of water. Yeah, they're shriveling up. Ants. Now this is the pad we started building. The building's 48 by 16. We're gonna set it here. But you see the corner of the orange red dirt? Eventually we want to put a barn-dominium. So if we put the cabin here and put a porch on that side, you won't be able to see the pond. So we're gonna actually move this pad. We're gonna move this pad further that way, even though, probably move it over 20 foot, even though we gotta add a lot more dirt to go over 20 foot, but that way, if we build a barn-dominium, we'll be able to see off the porch to the pond. So we want both to be able to see the pond. So we're gonna have to move this over right here to be level. It's not completely level, but right here we had to raise it 14 inches to be level on that corner over there. So what we're gonna have to do, come 20 feet over. So if this is 14, who knows how high we have to bring it over here because it slants down. So we might have to bring it up a couple feet over here. We just don't want to have to put a bunch of center blocks having it way up in the air. I'd rather just have like one center block and a small one if we have to. I don't want like 3 and 4 center blocks high or have it lower to the ground. But we're also about to mow this stuff. I forget the name of the plant, but there's some areas on the ranch that it's almost 3 foot tall back over there. You can see all our grasses and 7 grasses we planted. You can see they're all coming up. It's kind of crazy because we haven't had a rain. I think we had one flood or torrential rain on about 5 weeks ago, the day after we seeded. But you can see the stuff that is making it. I'm not sure what variety that is, but see the mesquites. I'm gonna do spot spraying on mesquites. I'm gonna use blue dye so I know which ones I've already sprayed. But we're gonna go ahead and get the mower out and start mowing some of the weeds down because we don't want them to seed. But that's what we're about to do now. And actually, if we got a rain, you see where our water comes off the property. Comes from all the 35 acres. It's been washing the ground out. So I kind of built this up to try to stop the so much erosion. Try to build the dirt up here, not over there on that berm. But we'll see if that works. But I don't see any rain anytime soon out here. That's exactly what we need, is some rain. But I keep blinding off the sun. But that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna go ahead and get at it. Thanks for joining. Please like and subscribe, and I appreciate y'all. Later.